English first paper. All my dear students, I think you are so fine. I am also fine. It is a matter of great grief that we cannot attend our classes, and also we cannot enter the colleges because of a very serious, harmful, dangerous, injurious, like a fatal disease, coronavirus, COVID 2019. Despite this critical situation, we all of us will be highly conscious of our coming examinations. Although the government suggested or advised us to read or to concentrate our minds in studies at home, and you will have to prepare your lessons very clearly and carefully, because anytime coronavirus may be reduced or minimized. At that time, your institutions can be opened. If it is increased day by day, your institutions will again be closed. To our rights. Nothing to do, nothing to say at this present moment, but it is our sacred duty or responsibility to complete our courses at home with the help of our respected teachers. I am now your English teacher. It is my duty to complete the courses of English first paper on online classes, and try to have your best to attend the classes at home, except it nothing to do, nothing to say, nothing to see of our teachers. Loneliness is not actually a good performance. If we go together, if we come to our teachers together, but openly we can attend in the classes, just an enjoyable situation may be created, and everybody hopes it. But now we are going to take a very important class on the basis of different kinds of questions. Today's lesson or chapter, Kuakata, daughter of the sea. Last many classes, we discussed more and more about one of the picturesque natural sea beaches of our country, named or called Kuakata. When we shall complete our answers from the questions, all questions must be in an assertive sentence. Answer must be assertive sentence. Firstly, we shall start with a subject and a verb which are selected in the question papers. If The question is started with when, or how, or why, or where, or what. So 5 types of interrogative words which are used before the subject of all questions. Answer: the subject and the verb will be included in the questions, and at that time you will use the main or correct information from the passage. You can say the question is started where. Where means in the passage, any place, anywhere, any spot selected. Maybe in the Sundarbans, maybe in the Cox's Bazar, maybe in a historical place which is very famous and popular for us. Say for example, where is Kuakata located? The simple answer is that here Kuakata is a subject, here is a verb, here is a verb. We all know that subject Kuakata and is a verb. So the sentence will be started with the subject Kuakata and the verb is. This is how we can answer correctly, accurately, rightly. Kuakata is located, and the next answer will be selected in the original text. If you look at the text, you will find where Kuakata is situated. Perhaps, maybe, to the southern part of Bangladesh, especially district Satkhira, Khulda, Bagherhat, Patuakhali, Bhola, Borishal, Pirozpur. So Kuakata is situated to the southern part of our Bangladesh. Name some natural scenic sceneries and beauties of Kuakata. Here the question is very simple. An assertive sentence, not an interrogative sentence. So we can simply define that we find many kinds of natural scenes, sceneries and beauties if we visit Kuakata. If we pay a visit Kuakata. Kuakata is now one of the wonderful places in our Bangladesh, but all over the world, everywhere, many people from the abroads or every corner of our country come to see the beauties of Kuakata sea beaches. Specifically or especially or particularly or differently, we can define it as a correct answer. There are many scenic, natural sceneries, beauties of Kuakata, and they are given below. They are an excellent combination of pictorial natural beauties. A scenery. Secondly, we find sandy sea beaches. Sandy sea beaches. Another pictorial beauty of the Kuakata sea beach. এখন কি সেভ হবে না?